How to find intercepts cut off by a plane? You have the same doubt, right? That's why you have clicked my video. So I will give you the solution. Welcome friends, I am Samsubro. Let's start lecture number 36. 3-dimensional geometry 0 to hero lecture series. So without wasting any time, let's go to the blackboard. Find the intercepts cut off by the plane 2x plus y minus z equal to 5. So my humble request to you, if you directly come to this lecture, first go through lecture number 25 where I have proved the theory using this beautiful mathematical model. Find the equation of a plane in intercept form. So here equation of the plane is given as solution. Take back. Equation of the plane is 2x plus y minus z equal to 5. So here we divide both sides by 5. 2x by 5 plus y by 5 plus z by minus 5 equal to 1 implies x by 5 by 2 plus y by 5 plus z by minus 5 equal to 1. So I think you have remembered the formula. Equation of a plane in intercept form is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. So here comparing this with the equation of a plane in normal form, we get by here you say 1. Comparing 1 with x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1, that is equation of plane in intercept form we have x intercept 5 by 2 unit, y intercept 5 unit and z intercept minus 5 unit. So we are done. So we are moving to the next problem. Find the equation of the plane with intercept 3 on the y-axis and parallel to ZOX plane. Solution. So here intercept with plane with intercept 3 on the y-axis. So therefore y-intercept is 3 unit. Therefore b equal to 3 unit. And if we consider again this mathematical model, here this is x-axis, this is y-axis and this is z-axis. Then here parallel ZOX plane. ZOX plane, if it is z and this is x, then XOZ plane is represented by this XOZ plane. Then what is the equation of XOZ plane? That is y equal to 0. So any plane parallel to this XOZ plane, any plane parallel to this XOZ plane has the equation y equal to some constant, right? Because this is parallel to this ZOX plane. So I think you have understood. If you still have any doubt, then put your comment in the comment section. Y-intercept is 3. Therefore now equation of ZOX plane is y equal to b, some constant. B is some constant. B is some constant. As 3 is the y-intercept, therefore the equation, required equation of the plane here is y equal to 3. So answer. So we have found the equation of the plane with intercept 3 on the y-axis and parallel to 0 plane. So we are done. So we have reached the end of today's video. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching.